Hey, what up? It's Tom and welcome to another video. In today's video, we're going to be checking out these. This is a LED smart strip, a 15-meter LED smart strip to be exact, by Onforu. Hopefully I pronounced that correctly. So, what's there to say about it? So let's have a look at the box. Right, so according to the box, the working voltage is 24 volt DC. Adapter voltage is 100 to 240 volts AC. The adapter voltage is 48 watts. It's RGB. It's got 450 LED units. It's got 3 5-meter strips by the sounds of things. So that's what it would look like. And it says it's dimmable. The starting time is 0.5 seconds, warm up to 60%, instant full light. So let's have a look what's in the box. So as the box stated, you've got 3 of these wheels. You also have some documentation. You have a Wi-Fi controller. Of course, they are a smart strip. You get some nice adhesive pads here. You get a battery here. You get some, I'm not even sure what those are. Ah, right, so you can actually screw everything in, which is pretty handy on this. And you get a 3-pin power supply. So that's how you register the product. So according to this, it works with Alexa and Google Home, which is really good. Obviously it comes with your remote, and max remote distance is 15 meters on this. Instructions how to set it all up, which is pretty useful. And yeah, so what I'm going to do with these is I'm going to set these up, and I'm planning to set these up in my little sister's room on the ceiling. She always wanted something like that, and as I already have a LED strip behind my desk, which I absolutely adore. So without further ado, let's get to it. Let's give it a go. So I've got the remote here. Look at that. It looks pretty cool actually, I do like that. It's not the full 15 meters, but I think that would be absolutely enough. It's just that one little tiny bit that is missing, but nevertheless, I really like it. Let's have a look at different colors. So that's your red, green, purpley blue, dark blue I would say, orange, green, light blue, a brighter orange, some sort of teal, there you go, that's proper purple there, yellow, pink and white. I'm not sure why, the white looks pretty awesome. So you can obviously change the brightness. The modes. Settings and etc. Now, The beauty of this strip is that you can actually connect it to your smart home, and that's the main selling point of this, I think. it is Wi-Fi enabled. You can actually download the app. It seems to be called the Magic Home app. I'm going to give this a go, see how it goes. So I downloaded the app, and now we're going to have a little play around with it. So let's see if you can see the lights. So you can choose, create your very own color, like I am here. You've got loads of actions on here. I mean, for example, you've got your red gradual change. So that's your red gradual change. It's very bright red. You've got a green and blue crossfade. So that should be two sort of crossfaded colors. You got a 7 color strobe flash. That's that. Got a red strobe flash and 7 color jumping change. I'll show you how that's meant to work. Got a con 7 color crossfade. It's absolutely loads of these. You can create the custom ones as well. There is a mic, so what it can do is basically, as I'm speaking, it's gonna listen to me and well, react to it. I think you have to have your phone to use that though. That's pretty cool. I really like that. It's gonna have like a disco. You can also do that to music, sort of. But you can have a cinema mode as well, and that's pretty cool. So you can set the lights to low, medium, high. Oh, but it's not doing it. There you go. I'm not sure how it works, but I will find out. But it seems extremely cool. And you've got a camera, which I think you could choose a color. So capture color, and it's the color of the shoe case. And now for the verdict. Are you happy?
Yeah!
I'll take that as a yes. Perfect. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more great content. If you're interested in buying those lights yourselves, check out the link in the description of the video. And yeah, till next time.